All right, my friends. Well, this is about a 2-year review on these Durapella couches from Ashley. So far, they're basically just as if they were brand new. We have a couple cats, and I've seen them like do some stuff to it that seems like it might scratch it, but I've never found a scratch on these. The stuff holds up really well. It's super comfortable. It's almost just like leather. If I had any complaints about this couch, it would be that it is kind of like leather, that when you sit on it, it's a little cool at first, and then, but it warms up. It's basically just like leather, but I don't know, this is super durable. We haven't had any issues with super comfortable couch. It's really quiet, and it hugs the wall also. So you can fully recline. I think you only need about, what is that? About 8 inches of space there to fully recline. And then the headrest and everything, it's nice and quiet. This is like, what do they call it? Zero gravity or whatever. Very comfortable couches. Yeah, we looked a long time after we got our other couches, and we finally got this one, or these two, and we've nothing but good things to say about these. They are electric, obviously, so we just run our cord right under the carpet here. You can't even tell, even we have concrete floors, and just tuck away under there. But really, really comfortable. We really enjoy them. Also, the frame is like solid metal. It's all metal basically. I don't think there's any wood in here, so that's nice as well. And just really, really sturdy and durable. As far as the material too, we've spilled stuff on it before. Just doesn't really affect it. It's super easy to clean up. It's super easy to keep clean. You just vacuum it or use a roller on it or something like that. Just not really any negative things about these couches. We love them. They hold up really well so far. They look basically as if we just bought them. We do have some sunlight that comes in our room right there, and it doesn't seem to do anything to these either. They're just really durable and comfortable. And about the only regret I have is that I didn't get these sooner. So thanks for watching, my friends. I hope you all have a great day, and I'll see you next time.